In this quick how-to video, we'll talk about monitoring templates and how they can be used to quickly edit, add, or change devices in the dashboard. Monitoring templates are found on the Settings menu of your dashboard, in the sub-menu with a couple of selections. First, let's talk about how we manage the templates that we may already have. Select Manage Templates, and you'll see a dialog box that shows you everything that's already in your dashboard. Here you can see the type of template that it is, workstation or server, the template name, how many 24/7 and daily safety check exist, how many automated tasks exist in the template, when it was first created and last edited, and whether it's active or inactive for application. I can add a new scratch-built server or workstation monitoring template, or I can select one of the templates already there and edit from here. Editing or adding, I can activate or deactivate the template. I can also standardize the 24/7 and daily safety times for all the devices that this template is applied to. I can add a 24/7, daily safety checks, and automated tasks, or edit the ones that are already there. I can also create a template from a pre-existing device that's in my dashboard. Simply right-click on a device, select Monitoring Templates, and create a monitoring template. You can create a template with just 24/7 and daily safety checks, with just automated tasks, or both. The only exception to what is going to be added into this template are any checks that exist as part of the built-in features of your dashboard, such as Managed Antivirus or Managed Online Backup. Once you've clicked Next, you can see we're in the same Monitoring Template Edit dialog box, where I can make changes and remove or edit or add as I need to for this monitoring template. I can apply templates to one or more devices in the dashboard. I can apply to one or more multiple devices in a list by right-clicking on a selection, selecting the monitoring templates, and applying monitoring templates. Here I have a couple of choices. I can rerun the detection scan that discovers all of the items that are on that particular device, or I can apply one of the pre-existing templates that I have on my dashboard. Here, I can simply drag them to the right-hand side and apply multiple templates to that particular section. How these templates are applied follows the Select Update behavior at the bottom of the dialog box. By default, we're going to add whatever is on the template to anything that may already be existing on the device, even if it has nothing. If I want to replace what's on the device with what's in my templates, select the secondary checkbox to replace them. If I want to remove anything that's already on the device with what's on the monitoring template, select the Replacing the Exist Checks and Tasks box. Also note that if I add multiple templates in my list, they will also follow the Select Update behavior. That is, if I say replace the existing checks and tasks, in this case the last monitoring template will be the only one that is effectively added. Adding new checks and tasks to the existing will allow the first monitoring template checks to remain even if there is a duplicate in the second or third. In order to change this behavior, simply drag and drop to the order that you need. We can also apply templates at the time that a device comes into the dashboard at installation. Going back to the Settings menu and select the New Device Installation settings, you'll see a dialog box that looks very much like our featured dialog box for device settings. Here I can apply a template across all my servers, across an entire client, or across an entire site. All I need to do is turn it on and select the template that I want to apply. Note that here we have a version of the Update Behavior dialog box for our check detection scan. I can run the check detection scan and then run the template to whatever has detected by simply selecting the checkbox for Run Check Detection Scans. Those are all the ways that we can add, customize, or specific checks and automated tasks to workstations and servers in your dashboard.